up, homies? Welcome back to a brand new YouTube video. Today I'll be doing Just Build with Brady Foot. I'll just wait for him to get on. And so, if you go to Brady's Foot channel, there should be a pet simulator on that. Mine glitched out. Well, that was gone.
No, I thought my pet simulator was on that glitched out.
Oh yes, my Just Built. My Let's Play. Well,
Wasn't it
Among Us
your
glitched out.
Yeah, you're Among Us.
And so, shout out to Lombi for showing me this build idea. I really like it.
Which one?
Lombi.
Where? I said which one?
This multiple slide.
Where even is that? Oh, it's over here.
Yeah. He'll be in the link's description with Brady Foot. I guess, what should we build this video?
I don't know.
We could build another roller coaster.
Maybe like a snack shack.
Oh, right here, I have an idea. I don't know why this is here.
Not either. Maybe just like a little snack shack.
Yeah, we're gonna have a short one today. We're both really tired.
Yeah.
But I figured, why not record a video?
So, I'm not gonna say, so we are, today we were biking around all day looking for this thing called the Medallion. It's a special thing in the city that I live in, that if you find it, you get $250. I'm not gonna say what city, but just saying.
Yeah. A little help from Brady Foot would be nice.
I was gonna build a thingy-bobber.
I'm literally clearing this area for that thing in the lava.
Yeah, I'm building a thingy-bobber as well.
What are you building?
I'm building some sort of shack.
Maybe you could build like a boat shack where people buy boats. You should build a boat rental.
Alright. Do that.
Okay, but before I start building the shack, I'm just gonna show you around. So just in case you guys, I built this merry-go-round. So the flick of the switch, try to give it a little push. It goes. Whenever you want it to stop, whack. And voila. Shout out to Brady Foot for showing this idea. He's right next to me if you want to say hi.
What's up?
This is my brother's cook shop, food shop, whatever he calls it. He has no sign to say what it is. This is the family-owned restaurant. You should go check out Brady Foot's video. He also has a family-owned restaurant now.
Yeah.
And this is waiter David and waiter Michael.
They're waiting.
Goodbye. This is my hot tub, my house. Okay, no one's getting fired this time. This is Brady Foot's house. This is these are ocean houses.
Yeah, cabanas, ocean.
No, we googled it. I googled it. I forgot to tell you guys. This is my dog's pen. See, they like water. Got them water. I do let them out sometimes. This is the orange slide with security guard Sam. I don't know why. I just wanted a security guard. Yellow slide. And then this one you gotta pay to get in. I don't know why this is here. There you go. Oh.
What's up? King Bob.
And this is Bob.
King Bob?
Yep. This is the private pool area.
King Bobert.
Kind of like that grass texture.
See?
I'm gonna build a snack shack. Is there anything else? Oh, I have this roller coaster that you guys have probably seen my previous video. Can't remember. This is my brother's house. He has now he has a trampoline. Whee! Oh, the only way to get up to his house is using that trampoline. And I'll tell you, you should open it up from here. Kit? I thought you were gonna build a boat rental.
Yeah.
Oh. Over here, snack shack will be made out of warped planks
Alright.
and oak fence and I'm gonna need glass and then ooh, cobblestone.
Soup.
We'll probably have someone work here. It's just gonna be a small snack shack and then whack.
Alrighty. Perfect. Alright, villager.
Who'd you kill?
I ran a villager.
Mm.
I didn't mean to spawn. I didn't mean to spawn. There we go.
I feel like this needs to be longer.
Perfect.
Perfect. Not perfect.
Perfect.
Shit, I like it. I don't like it like that.
I said I like it.
Yeah, that's kind of cool. And then there's just a warp thing here.
Villager.
Opened, closed.
Open, close, open, close.
Do 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 do. We'll use the Chrisman door.
Crimson?
Chrisman.
Oh, prism. Oh,
Chrisman.
prismarine.
No, there's no such thing as a prismarine door.
That'd be sick.
That would. I just need a sign. Perfect.
Perfect, perfect.
Food. That's your money.
Food.
Money.
Cash money.
No, all of this.
Cookie?
Cookie. Fish.
Cookie. Jerry, I need you to move, please. Alrighty. You also forgetting about your needed crap. Now for the annoying part.
What?
Boats.
I have to fill a double chest up with cookies and stuff.
I have to fill up the double chest with boats.
I don't even know why I need Oak Fence Gate.
Kind of speedrunning right now.
That's nice.
Did I already finish? Jeez, I just speedran. I think I did. Yeah, I did.
Did you fill the double chest full already?
Yep. The boat rental is all ready.
Then you can help me
I'm
speed.
just kidding, I need a sign.
Then you can see how it's organized perfectly. Like this. It's gotta be exactly like that. So I'm kind of speedrunning it too. As best I can.
Yeah. Don't worry. Be happy.
Woo.
Perfect.
Cookie.
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 No diabito.
Go back to the kitchen.
I'm gonna change how this looks a little bit. Very cool design. What kind of wood did I build this out of? Is this jungle, I believe? Jungle.
I have no clue.
Oh, jungle. In the jungle, the mighty jungle, the lion sleeps tonight. That's kind of cool.
What?
I don't know what I did with it. I'm contemplating putting slabs here or not. No, I'm not doing slabs. Trapdoors.
1, 2, 3, 4. So 3, 6, 9. I need 9.
Mm. 9. 9!
What?
9. No. I kind of like that. Nah, I don't really like it. I think that's better.
Voila! I have everything filled up to the brim.
Perfect.
Now sign Snack Shack.
Hello, Snack Shack. Money. That's where you pay, and that's where you get the food.
Take all my money out.
Hello. Hello, about. Okay.
Yeah. I wonder what else we've been not building for very long.
Nice little snack shack. Won't forget. And then perfect. Perfect. Boat rental looks nice. Employee only.
Just fill up the area.
And then we got Jerry Jones working at boat rentals.
Oops. Snack.
Track attack. From Fall Guys. 100%. Yay.
DYE. Black guy.
Honestly, Jerry, you're getting fucked in there.
Oop, my God.
Nice.
That's the one who's gonna be.
Can you get in and out of that? No, that's perfect, actually. Look at that. You can't get in or out.
Yeah. How is you can see that?
Yeah, but it's like that. And then the boat's right here. Jerry will unlock it whenever.
Wait, the boat's right here.
Mm-hmm.
We'll have someone working the snack shack.
Okay. And then, yep, there's your money.
Yeah. I think it's going to be 17. It's only been 17 minutes.
Oh.
It hasn't been a long video. I guess we can add more. I guess we can build the lower area to the dining room. See if we can fix it. Fix this area. I kind of like it though.
And keep it.
I haven't built the bottom area yet. But of people living
You know
there, so.
what you can do instead?
What?
Tell them about what you could do once you finish the city with the viewers.
Yes, once I finish the city, I could buy a PlayStation. Yep.
Or you could also invite viewers to your city,
Mm-hmm.
and then they could claim their house.
And it cost 1 diamond. Or 3 diamonds, sorry.
Yeah, you could claim your house, and as long as you're being respectful of the server or the world and stuff, you can play on it as long as you're invited to the world.
Yes. How did he get out? Bob.
King Bob! No, don't kill King Bob.
He escaped. I'll make another
He
one.
escaped his cage.
He escaped his cage. He's a king, but he escaped his cage. I want that there.
Da-da-da-da-da-da.
King Bob. He escaped his cage.
You escaped your cage.
Oh, now I gotta get a villager spawn egg.
Ooh.
I guess you have to build something. I guess what should we build? Villager. Name.
Nametag.
Nametag.
Nametage. Da-di-da-da-di-da-da.
Be Bob.
King Bob. I'm gonna buy some death sticks.
I want this one. The same one?
Did you say King Bob?
No, you're not good enough.
You are not good enough to be a worthy opponent.
There we go.
Finally, a worthy opponent.
I guess what else could we build?
Honestly, I don't know. I don't feel like there's anything else.
In this video. Maybe
Yeah.
we'll come up with ideas for the next video.
Yeah, honestly, we could just.
I think I'm just gonna end it here, boys. If you all enjoyed, smash the like button, smash the subscribe button, turn on those notifications, Tiger19, and of course, Bradyfoot. Thank you for watching. See ya.